Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show here about actually to help you in the way or the progress that's gonna be help you to know how you actually see grid in Figma. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video. This is gonna be absolutely through that. So really what we're gonna start actually to see everything that is ready to be satisfied with that. So in the progress that is ready to be satisfied with that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about start to see, click on anything and then start to scroll down here. Now you're gonna find something that is really related to the layout. Okay, so maybe the layout is actually to be satisfied or related to one of things, but actually this is not gonna work whenever you don't have the layout auto layout over here. So I will start to suggest if the grid can actually appear, which is really view here, and then click on pixel grid. Okay, once you click on the pixel grid, it will gonna appear, or you see that it's not gonna appear. Also, you can find it on certain frames. If you click on added frame, as you see, you can actually toggle auto, and then you can see that is really absolutely to have a certain layout unit, and then you can actually see if it's really have a certain way with that. And that's all about here, guys, to help you how you see the grid on Figma.